That first, let's begin with the determination made by the Supreme Court yesterday, and the National Treasury had scored a big win after the court overturned the nullification of the Finance Act of 2023, allowing the government to continue the collection of taxes using the laws. The full bench of the top court ruled that if Parliament adhered to the required legislative process of public participation and concurrence when enacting the law. And we begin on that note. And Council Havi, you tweeted hours later that the Supreme Court is the court of last mistake. What do you mean by that?
Well, in the hierarchy of decision-making from the High Court, Court of Appeal to the Supreme Court, courts are bound to make errors. The only unfortunate aspect of an error that is made by the Supreme Court is that that error becomes the law and is not capable of being set aside by whoever an appeal or review thereafter. Look, the Supreme Court as the apex court is not entirely supposed to base its decisions on what it considers to be the law alone. It is a policy court. It's supposed to read the mood of the people of Kenya. And what is the mood of the people of Kenya? After the High Court and the Court of Appeal declared the Finance Act 2023 unconstitutional, you saw the reaction of the people. They resonated with it. Thereafter, when the people of Kenya took over Parliament on the 25th of June 2024, the President was compelled to reject the Finance Bill 2024. Now, if the successor of the 2023 Act has been rejected by the people, on what basis will the Supreme Court find it to be constitutional? It's on that basis, therefore, that we term the Supreme Court to be the court of last mistake.